American student Amanda Knox has been described as a satanic, diabolical she-devil at the appeal against her murder conviction in Italy. A lawyer for the man initially questioned for killing British student Mereditch Kercher asked the court whether Amanda Knox was the mild-looking, fresh-faced person they saw in front of them, or a woman devoted to lust, drugs and alcohol. Well, journalist Nick Peaser brought us this update from the court in Perugia.
That statement came from Carlo Pacelli, who is representing Patrick Lumumba. He was the Congolese bar owner who was initially named as the suspect for the murder by Amanda Knox when she was questioned by police back in November 2007. And she had told the police that she was in the kitchen where the murder took place and had covered her ears because she remembered Patrick was murdering Meredith, and she covered her ears to drown out the screams. And as a result of what she told police, Patrick Lumumba was arrested and held in custody for 2 weeks before eventually being freed, when someone who went to the bar, a customer, told police that he could not have been there at the murder house when it took place because he was there at his bar. Now, Carlo Pacelli used those colourful words to describe Amanda because he is entitled to make a civil claim against Amanda Knox and Raffaele Sollecito, asking them for damages for what he says his client suffered, moral damages, also psychological damages, financial damages, because of the besmirching of his character that followed him being named as the prime suspect in that murder. Now, he was at one point, Carlo Pacelli, asked to stick to the point, but he said that he needed to use this language to indicate to the court just what sort of person Amanda Knox was. And as he was making these statements, her parents were sat to the side of her, just shaking their heads in awe as to how their daughter was being described. And he closed his final arguments by describing her as a deceitful witch as well.